Okay, let's move to the edge corner sealer. You can see this machine also have the cover to ensure your safety. There are 4 motors and 4 driving belts. It's to fully seal your edge of your box. The width of the carton can be adjustable by this handwheel, and the height also can be adjustable. I saw here that on there is the control box, right?
Oh yeah, here.
Yeah, so it means that the whole working process will be controlled by PLC?
Yeah, by this PLC and the control panel.
Okay, good.
I thought here is a yellow thing. What is it?
Oh, this is the pusher.
Pusher.
Yes, okay. Once the carton finished by stopper, it will be pushed into the edge collar automatically.
Oh,
yeah.
Cool.
Okay, here is our tail storage flexible skate conveyor.
It can be extracted and expanded easily, and it can also turn to any directions as you want.
That's fun.
Yeah.
I also can see here is a handwheel. What's this?
You can use this to adjust the height of this conveyor.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Do you know what's material of this wheel?
Oh, this skate is made of the plastic.
Plastic.
Yes,
okay.
Plastic.
Can I use the metal one because I think it's not very stable? Or
no worries. This plastic is as strong as the metal.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So that is a very good quality with very advantageous price.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So that's all for our fully carton packing.